ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഫിനാൻഷ്യൽ അക്കൗണ്ടിങ്ങിലെ ഏതാനും ഒബ്ജക്റ്റീവ് ടൈപ്പ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. നമുക്ക് നേരിട്ട് വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, when goods are sent on consignment, the person who receive goods is called consignee. When goods are sent on consignment, the person who receive goods is called consignee. Second, when goods are sent on consignment, the person who sent goods is called consignor. When goods are sent on consignment, the person who sends goods is called consignor. Next, when consignor discounts the bill, the discounting charges will be debited to profit and loss account. When consignor discounts the bill, the discounting charges will be debited to profit and loss account. Account sale is a document sent by principal to his agent. Account sale is a document sent by principal to his agent. Consignee account is a personal account. Consignee account is a personal account. Goods sent on consignment account is a real account. Goods sent on consignment account is a real account. When goods sent on consignment, there will be no entry in consignee's book. When goods sent on consignment, there will be no entry in consignee's book. The amount of depreciation in hire purchase system is charged on cash price paid. The amount of depreciation in hire purchase system is charged on cash price paid. Royalty account is a nominal account. Royalty account is a nominal account. Dash means the sum payable by one person called lessee to another person called lessor for using the right vested to the latter by the former. Answer, royalty. Royalty means the sum payable by one person called lessee to another person called lessor for using the right vested to the latter by the former. A bill of exchange is always returned. A bill of exchange is always returned. The bill is returned by the drawer. The bill is returned by the drawer. There are minimum dash parties in bill of exchange. 2. There are minimum 2 parties in bill of exchange. There are only dash parties in promissory note. There are only 2 parties in promissory note. A person who draws the bill of exchange is called drawer. A person who draws the bill of exchange is called drawer. Who can endorse the bill? Drawing. Who can endorse the bill? Drawing. Retiring a bill means payment before the date of maturity. Retiring a bill means payment before the date of maturity. In hire purchase transactions, the revenue is normally recognized on the cash basis. In hire purchase transactions, the revenue is normally recognized on the cash basis. The accounting equation is based on dual aspect concept. The accounting equation is based on dual aspect concept. Goods given as charity is credited to purchase account. Goods given as charity is credited to purchase account. Del credtor commission is paid to consignee to cover the loss due to bad debt. Del credtor commission is paid to consignee to cover the loss due to bad debt. Stock on consignment appear in the balance sheet of consignor. Stock on consignment appear in the balance sheet of consignor. Joint venture account is nominal account. Joint venture account is nominal account. Capital account of a co-venture are personal account. Capital account of a co-venture are personal account. Receipt and payment account is a real account. Receipt and payment account is a real account. Under single entry system, credit sale is computed from the total debtors account. Under single entry system, credit sale is computed from the total debtors account. Cash paid to creditors under the single entry system can be ascertained from opening balance sheet. Cash paid to creditors under single entry system can be ascertained from opening balance sheet. Under single entry system, total creditors account is prepared to find out credit purchase. Under single entry system, total creditors account is prepared to find out credit purchases. Okay, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.